this triangle has?
Count பண்ணுங்க.
1, 2, 3, 4.
ஆஹா, இங்க பாருங்க.
Triangle.
கவுண்ட் பண்ணி சொல்லப்பா.
Where
இத
is
கவுண்ட்
triangle?
1, 2, 3 corners.
3 corners. And how many sides?
Sides are
Is the side?
3.
3 sides. Okay?
3 sides.
3 corners and 3 sides. Triangle has 3 corners and 3 sides. Circle has no corners and no sides. Circle has no corner and no sides. But the square and the rectangle has 4 corners and 4 sides. 4 corners and 4 sides. Hello, hi Seshan. Hi Nidulan, hi Arya. Hi Jacinta. Good morning everybody. Shall we all start? Huh? Yes, let's start with the prayer song. Are you all ready?
Rasida ma'am.
And up, yes ma'am.
You know the child name of the account they joined Nirmala.
Just join ma'am, I don't know. What is the name
Nirmala they joined, but I want to know the child name because their video also mute.
Yes, what is it? What is the child's name? Nirmala? Turn on
Ma'am,
your camera and mic.
Sai Priyan, ma'am. Sai Priyan.
Okay. I'm Sai Priyan.
Mobile is some problem, so that.
Okay, ma'am, no issue.
Okay, no problem. So shall we all start? Yes, everybody stand up. Keep your hands over your shoulder like this. You are within me. Repeat. You are infinite. Excuse me. Am I being audible? Uma ma'am, can you hear me?
Audible only, ma'am. Saishi, when you unmute your mic, you repeat after ma'am.
Yes, please everybody unmute yourself and then repeat it, okay? So yes, let's start it again. You are within me. You are infinite. You are unique. My potential inside. You are the wings beneath my flight. You define me. My potential inside. Today I pledge with all my might, I shall achieve you.
My potential.
My potential inside. Yes. Open your eyes. Stand up. Let's complete our warm-up activity too. Okay. Here starts. 3, 2, 1, go. Jog. Jacinta, please be on mute here. Jog. Jump. Jump, jump, jump. Ariel, come on, jump. Yes. Sit down, relax. Yes, Ranan. Have a glass of water. I know you will ask me to drink water. Go drink water and come, children. So shall we start taking the attendance? Answer your attendance, children. Sai Shivanya,
Here I am. Yanku Kutu.
Santosh, Pranav. Here I am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good. Arya,
Sola. Here I am answering.
Yeah.
Yeah, ma'am.
Sama சொல்லு.
Yeah, ma'am.
yes. Sai Priyan, Sai Priyan,
Here I am, ma'am.
Manasa,
Here I am.
Jacinta,
Here I am, ma'am.
Prisha,
Here I am.
Seshant,
Here I am, ma'am.
Here I am.
Hriteshri,
Here I am.
Nidulan,
Here I am.
Rutvik. So, okay, we will start, children. Yes, till where have we stopped in English, children? Till lowercase d, that is small letter d, we have completed yesterday. No, let's have the recap of capital letters. Capital letters. So take your slates or notebook. Start writing from letter A to M. M first. Okay, till M completed, and then we'll do a game. We'll play a game, and then again we will continue writing it. Okay, come on. First, complete writing till M. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. So parents, please turn the camera accordingly so that I can see that they are writing or not. Hiteshi, turn on your camera, dear. Tilt your camera so that I can check. A, B. Come on, Sai Shivanya, write it. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and G. Cyprian, what letter is this, Cyprian?
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good. This one, dear? What letter is this?
See, ma'am.
Very good. Continue writing. Arya, what letter is this, Arya?
Sola.
C.
C. This one? Continue writing. Suja, sorry. Prisha. What letter is this, Prisha?
E.
E. This one?
Look at there's another one.
F.
F. Okay, continue writing. Nidulan. What letter is this?
அது என்ன லெட்டர் பாருங்க. அது என்ன மேம்?
You write. What letter is
விசிபிள்
this?
ஆகல மேம்.
Yes, I can see, ma'am. But what letter is this, Nidula?
அங்க பாருங்க.
Ma'am, what you are showing is not visible clearly.
நாட் விசிபிள் மேம்.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now it's
பாருங்க
visible.
இப்ப.
Yeah, like that you will just.
அது என்ன லெட்டர்?
G. This one?
விசிபிள் இங்க பாருங்க. அது என்னது?
H. Very good. Continue writing. Seshant.
மேம் ஒரு காட்டு
What letter is this?
இது என்ன லெட்டர் சொல்லு.
I. And this one, dear? J. Very good. Continue writing. Manasa. What letter is this? K. Right. This one? Very good. Hiteshri. M. This one, dear? Very good. Continue writing. Jacinta. What letter is this, Jacinta? Oh. This one, dear? Very good. Continue writing. Yes, Pranav have completed so soon. Very good. So wait for a while. What letter is this, Pranav?
Completed, ma'am.
1 minute, Seshan. I'll come. Okay. Q. And this one, dear, can you see this one? R. Very good. Sai Shivanya. What letter?
சத்தமா சொல்லு.
Yes. This one? T.
சத்தமா சொல்லு.
Palamat. What letter is this? Yes, very good. Okay. Arya, what letter is this?
What letter is
This letter is V.
என்னது?
W.
W. Prisha, what letter is this? Louder?
V.
V. Yes, super. Nidulan? What
என்ன
letter is
letter?
this?
சத்தமா சொல்லுங்க.
U.
U. Very good. Seshant, what letter is this?
Yes.
X. Very good. Manasa, what letter is this, dear?
What letter?
Y.
Super. Hiteshri, what letter is this?
Z.
Z. Very good. Well, Jacinta have completed till O, right? Seshan, can I? Very good, Jacinta. Can I check your note, Seshan? Very good. Yes, very good, Seshan. Very good, Nidulan. Superb. Manasa have completed. Very good. Yes, Hiteshri have done. Pranav have completed. Arya, have you completed, dear?
She's writing, ma'am.
Okay. Prisha, have you completed, dear?
Ma'am.
Yes? Very good. Very good, Hiteshri. Very good, Prisha. Sai Shivanya, have you completed? So till M, we will stop there and we'll do an activity. Then we'll continue writing the remaining letters. Very good, Sai Shivanya. Wait. Sai Priyan, have you completed?
Writing ma'am சொல்லுங்க.
Writing, ma'am.
Okay. So everybody, stand up. Keep your books over your head and walk. Step for 10 times. Step up for 10 times. Hope you all can remember. Balance walk. Come on. So it would be better if you all clear your background so that I can see the children that walking. Yes, 10 steps you have to take. See? 1, 2, like that, 10 steps. Count and walk. Okay? Come on. Very good, very good. Don't try to touch the book. Try not to touching it. Come on, Arya. Very good, Sai Shivanya. Super. Very good, Pranav. Try again, try again. Session, do it. Yes, continue, continue. Very good. Very good, Nidulan. Very good, Prisha. Wow, superb. Cyprian, turn on your camera, dear. Arya, try again, try again. You'll get it. Very good. Manasa, super. Oh, try again, try again.
Ma'am, Hitaisri also did it, ma'am. Due to laptop, I can't turn on the camera.
Okay, then super. Hiteshri, very good. Cyprian, very good. Slowly, slowly. Okay, try again. Very good. Jacinta, very good. I have checked you. You can sit now. You have done it. Yes, Pranav. You left the room. Oh my God. Come back to your place. Okay, now it's enough. Enough of doing that activity. Continue writing. To complete till Z or Z letters. Continue. Till where have you stopped? No, start from there.
Ma'am, I did it.
You, yes, Hiteshri have completed. Very good, Hiteshri. So wait for others. Try recognizing the letters. Ask your parent to tell any of the letter randomly and try recognizing it. Okay?
Okay.
Yes. Till others complete, do that activity. So yes, very good. So, Pranav, sit and write. Have you completed writing? Till Z? Yes. Continue from N. Continue from N. Arya writing it. Very good. Cyprian. Nidulan, please turn on your camera, dear. I cannot see you. Yes. Right, right. Sai Shivanya, you completed till N only, no? Continue writing from there, baby. What comes next to N?
Yanikata. M.
M.
N.
Ah.
O.
Ah.
P.
எழுதுங்க.
Continue, continue. Complete till Z. So who else have completed till Z? Raise your hand and tell me.
Completed, ma'am.
Session completed. The same activity as I have assigned for Hiteshri, Session's parent. Say any letter randomly and ask him to recognize it. Okay, do this activity until all our friends complete. So once all have completed, I'll be giving you stars. Stars as per your favorite color. Continue. Jacinta, till which letter you have completed, dear? P. Okay, continue writing. Arya, it would be better if you remove the background. I cannot see him fully first. Aishwanya, you writing? Who has completed? Very good, Manasa. Yes. Now recognizing the alphabet activity. Come to choose any letters randomly and recognize it. Okay. Nidulan, turn your camera. Tilt it. Yes, yes. Prisha, have you completed, dear? Jacinta is about to complete. Very good. Super. Jacinta, very good. Yes. Yes, ask your parent to say any letters and recognize it randomly.
Drink some water, ma'am.
You have completed that too. Very good. Wait for our friends. Okay, sometime. And all have completed. Let's move to the next one. Jacinta have completed it, right? I have checked your slate. So now do the letter alphabet recognizing activity. Ask your parent to tell any letter randomly and try recognizing it or circling it. How about others? Very good. Very good. Sai Shivana. Prisha have also completed. Very good. Super. Pranav have completed. Very good, Pranav. Nidulan, have you completed? Very good, Arya. Very good, Sishan. Very good, very good, very good. Thumbs up for those who have completed. Nidulan, have you completed?
சொல்லு.
Yes.
So yes, then all have completed. No, I'll be telling any letter randomly, any 3 letters, circle it now. Okay, letter W, W, W. Itishi, as you have circled already, put square now over that over that one.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
W. Where is W? Very good, Manasa. Very good, Jacinta. So wait, let me check it at the last. Very good, very good. So next letter is R. R. Where is R? So done. And the next letter holds this sound. Da, 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 da. Which letter holds this sound?
Da.
Da is a sound of which letter?
D.
D. Right?
On my tongue for me, please.
Super. One last, one more. I want to do one more. Which letter is that? L. Circle it. Very good. So parents, get it verified that I have asked them to circle W, R, D and L. Check whether they have done it correctly.
Yes, ma'am.
Super, super, Jacinta. Yes. Very good. Super, everybody. So thumbs up for all. Thumbs up for all. Right? You all can write from letter A, alphabet, that is capital A to capital Z. Shall we all clap for ourselves? Yes? Clap. Applause. Super. Okay. Next is we are going to complete one worksheet in maths. Maths. Okay. So till which letter? Check your maths worksheet. Till which letter we have completed? Let me know.
Changing some water, ma'am.
Yes, Hiteshi, you can. Till which letter we have completed? We have completed till letter, sorry, not letter, number 11, right? We have completed till number 11. 11. 1, 1, 11.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can I water?
Yes, Jacinta, you can have water. So till 11 we have completed, children. Now next one. 1 minute. I'll tell you the page number. Worksheet number day 11. Day 11. Day 11, dear. Week 2, day 11. So have you all taken? Shall we all start writing number 12? It's not 12. It's 12. You have to pronounce it as 12. 12. Not 12. 12. 11. 12. 12. Okay. How to write number 12 is writing number 1 and 2. We know how to write number 1 and 2, right? Writing number 1 and 2 together is 12. 1 to 12. 1 to 12. See, before that, let's count how many petals does this flower has. How many petals? Shall we all count? 1, 2. See, do follow this. Do work out in your worksheet together with me. Join with me, okay? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Only 10 is there. Only 10. 10 petals. How many we need still? Is 2. 10 plus 2 is 12. Those 2 are here. 10 is over. 10 after 10, 11 and 12. 11 and 12. Have you all noticed? These 2 petals are different from the flower because this flower has group of 10 petals. Group of 10 petals because it has only 10 petals in it. Group of 10 petals plus 2 petals is 12. Okay, we'll start writing in here. The space given for it. 1 to 12. 1 to 12. 1 to 12. 1 to 12. Sorry. 1 to 12. Write within the box. Okay, I'm a very bad girl. 1 to 12. 1 to 12. 1 to 12. 1 minute. 1, 2, 12. As ma'am already said, tell the number by your mouth and write. 1 to 12. 1 to 12. Yes, 1 to 12. 1 to 12. I'm very poor in writing and being so slow. Hope you all have completed before me. I hope you all are ahead of me. 1 to 12. 1 to 12. Very good. So those who have completed, please fill your name and the date here. What is today's date? We forgot to discussing about that. 1/6/16 dot 7 dot should be little darker. 2021. The name and the date, fill it. Fill it, children. Yes, Nidulan have completed. Very good. Hiteshri, are you writing it, dear? One to 12. 1 to 12. So 1 is what? 1 is what? 1 11. 1 to 12. Okay, 11. 1 to 12. Prisha, have you completed?
Completed, ma'am.
Very. Yes, very good, Sai Shishant. Very good. Very good, Manasa. Yes, those who have completed, what you have to do, children? Picture it and share it to me, right? Even ABCD too. Picture them and share it to me. Okay? So have you all completed? Hiteshri, Jashinta, Prisha, Sai Shivanya, Arya, Sai Priyan.
Still writing, ma'am.
Right, completed it.
Still writing, ma'am.
Sit down. Yes, very good, very good. 1 to 12. It's an easy number. You know 1, you know 2, and writing it together. That's it. 1 to 12. 1 to 12. Have Jacinta completed? Very good, Pranav. Very good, Sai Priyan. Jacinta, have you completed? Writing the date. Okay. Very good. So once done, we'll move to the next one. Shall we all do the counting from number 1 to 20 together? See, mute yourself. You just count from your word. Okay? Then it will not disturb anybody. But join with me. Don't sit ideally. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20. Okay. So one more time from 1 to 20. One session join. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Jacinta, cover your mouth. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good, Hiteshri. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Very good. So next is science time. Close all your notebook, pencils and keep it aside. Keep it aside. Let's recap of hygiene, oral hygiene and the emotions. Hygiene means what, children? Hygiene means what, Sai Shivanya? What is hygiene?
Cleaning.
Yes. Yes. Keeping ourselves clean. Keeping ourselves clean. Namla clean vechikkiradhu da hygiene. Okay. How hygiene helps us? Hygiene helps us to maintain our health. Health. To keep us so strong. Okay. To keep us so strong. Arya, sit down, dear. Strong. Are you all strong? Are you all strong enough? So show me your muscles like this. Are you all strong? Yes. To be strong, you have to be healthy. Okay? To be healthy, you have to maintain those hygienic habits. What are they? Brush your teeth twice a day. Take bath regularly. Comb your hair with a clean comb. Right? Wash your hands and feet before you enter your home. And again, wash your hand before and after food. After food. Before starting your food, wash your hand. Eat it then. After done, once you're done with that, after eating also, go and wash your hand. Okay, 2 times. Next is flush your toilet. When should you flush your toilet? Before and after using it. Why before? Other may also use it so that the germs may there. So you have to flush it and then you can use it. After you're done, again you have to flush that too because another one may use it. After you, some other may also use it. Okay? Flush. Do flush before and after you use the toilet. So tell me when are the times you're supposed to cover your mouth? Pranav, you tell me one time, any one time that you should cover mouth. Sneeze. Very good. Arya, you tell me another one time other than sneeze.
Arya, when should you cover your mouth?
Sneeze.
Sneeze.
Sneeze, then?
When else will you cover?
I said 3 times. Come again?
Outside வந்து mask போடுவாங்க. When will you do this?
Look at me, Arya.
இது வந்து தமிழ்ல. இங்கிலீஷ்ல?
Cough.
Cough. Very good. Prisha, what is that one more time? Sneeze, cough. What is the another one? The last one?
Close your mouth. Yeah.
Yang.
Yawn. So what is sneeze? Achoo. What is cough? What is yawn? At that time too, you should cover your mouth. Okay? So how you should wash your hand? What is the way to wash your hand? Use some soap, rub it like this and rub back your friends in between your fingers. Rub your thumbs, rub your wrists and then wash with your water. Okay? So yes, next is oral and dental care. Can you all remember how many times do we need to brush our teeth for a day? Jacinta will tell me. How many times? Two times. So, Sai Priyan, it's your turn. When are those 2 times that we need to brush our teeth? What, Sai Priyan? Very good. That is once you wake up and before you go to your bed. Okay, morning and night. Once you wake up from your bed, straightly go to your bathroom, brush your teeth, do all the morning bathroom rituals, and come out. And before going to bed, in the night time, before going to your bed to sleep, brush your teeth and then go sleep. Okay? Yes. Why do we need to brush our teeth? Why do we need to brush our teeth? If not, the germs which found in our mouth may stick and will not go until you brush your teeth. That leads to toothache. Toothache is nothing but pallu valikund. Pain. It will pain you. Toothache. So after that, what you have to do? You have to reach the dentist, and dentist may put injections and take off the teeth. That and all a big risk things, right? So better you brush your teeth 2 times. Nothing will happen then. Not only brushing the teeth, staying away from the junk foods. Eating only healthy foods. So what can you tell me? Any one healthy food? Seshan, tell me any one healthy food that we should take in our routine.
Drinking
Fruits, right? Which one is a healthy food among these 2, fruits or burger? Fruits or burger? Which one is healthy food?
drinking water, vegetables.
Drinking water is a healthy habit. No, fruits or burger? Which one is healthier one?
Ma'am, pardon, ma'am?
Burger and the fruits. Which one is the healthier one?
Burger healthier, fruits healthier. Burger healthy illa. Fruits.
Burger is not healthy. Burger is a junk food. Fruits are the healthier food. Okay. So yes, you must stay away from the junk food. Eat only healthier food. Brush your teeth regularly and go to the dentist for the regular checkups. That keeps us away from the cavity. Next comes to the emotions. What are the 5 emotions that we learned yesterday? Sashivanya, what are those 5 emotions? Happy.
Sad. Angry. Cry.
Very good. What is that?
Scared.
Very good. Scared. 5 emotions, right? Happy. Sad. Angry. Cry. Scared. Scared. Right? Ma'am is having some worksheets. Let's do that. I mean, not works. That is, these worksheets are out of from your syllabus. Can you all see this? So let's match this, children. Let's match this, okay? 1 minute. Ouch. 1 minute. So first, smiley denotes which emotion? What is the emotion of this first smiley? Is it happy, sad, sleepy, or scared? How is it feeling? The first one.
Happy and happy.
Happy. Correct. H for happy. Where is H here? Which one is the word that starts from letter H? This one, right? This one. Better 1 minute. I'll do it in the black color. This will better. See. H1. Happy. See, now take the second one. What is the emotion of this smiley? Sad. Yes?
Ishan wants to go restroom, ma'am.
Yes, Sushant, you can. Next. Sad. Is the sound of which letter? Letter yes, but we have two yes words here. This is sad. Okay, this is sad. So let's connect this with sad. Coming to the third smiley. What is the emotion of this, Pranav? This one? Pranav? What is the emotion of this smiley? Pranav? Mute yourself and talk. Pranav?
Sorry, ma'am, some network problem.
Okay, no problem. So Pranav, what is the emotion? What is this emotion that's the third smiley has? Hmm? Come on. Okay. Manasa? What dear? This one.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the emotion of this smiley? What is the feeling
Angry.
of angry? Angry. Angry. A. See, the word starts with A is here. So angry. Okay. Next one. Jacinta, how does this smiley feels? It is yawning. Yawning means
Yawning.
yawning. Sleepy, right? When will you yawn? Before you sleep. When you feel so sleepy, you will yawn, right? So then this smiley feels like sleepy. Okay? Yes. So next, I will be sharing another one worksheet too. One minute. See, this one. We had learned, See, this smiley means, this emotion means happy. Happy. 1 minute. Happy. Happy. Next is sad. Sad. Angry. Angry. Scared. Oh, scared. Your eyes will bulge like this. Okay, then tired. Tired. I'm so tired. I'm running for a long way. I'm walking for a long way. I want to take some rest. I'm so tired. Okay. This is hungry, as it is showing the spoons and cutlery. Thirsty, because the smiley is drinking water. When will you drink water? When you feel thirsty. And ill. Ill is nothing but sick. When you are sick, it's also called as ill. Okay? I'm having one more too. Let me share that one. See, what is the first smiley's emotion? How does it feel? The first one. Yes, Hitesh is going to answer for me. What is the emotion of this first one?
First one.
Mad.
Angry, right? Look at the eyes of it. Eyes and eyebrows. Angry. Angry. Next is Cyprian. What is the? How does this second smiley feel? How does this second smiley? See, how does it feel? It's so sad.
Okay.
Sad. Here is the yes starting word. Sad. Sad. Right? So next is Jacinta. How does this smiley feel this?
Crying.
It's not crying. It feels like sleepy. Look at the eyes of it. The eyes of the smiley is closed. So it feels sleepy. Okay? Yes. Next, Shivanya. Hi, Shivanya. What is the emotion of the smiley? Hi, Shivanya.
Happy.
Happy. Very good. Happy. So, Nitulan, what is the feeling of this? Or how does this smiley feel as it holds cutlery in his hand?
Hungry.
Very good. Hungry. You use spoons when you eat, right? You eat when you're hungry. Relate like this. And the last one, let's recap with our rhymes, okay? Recap our rhymes and then we'll end it. Body parts, rhymes. What rhymes am I going to start? Can you all recognize? Two little eyes to look around. Two little ears that hear each sound. One little nose that smells what's sweet. One little mouth. What's that? It likes to eat. It likes to eat. So one more time. Two little eyes to look around. Two little ears that hear each sound. One little nose that smells what's sweet. One little mouth that loves to. Prisha, what is the use of our mouth? One little mouth that loves to eat. Very good. So next is my lovely family. Mummy, daddy, I love you. You love me too, and care for me too. Brother, sister, let's all play. Sing and dance, laugh and prance all through the day. Grandma, grandpa, what comes? You're so sweet. Right? Grandma, grandpa, you're so sweet. I'll give you hugs, I'll give you kisses when we meet. One more time. Huh? Mummy, daddy, I love you. You love me too, and care for me too. Brother, sister, let's all play. Sing and dance, laugh and prance all through the day. Grandma, grandpa, you're so sweet. I'll give you hugs, I'll give you kisses when we meet. So yes, one last thing, jolly phonics rhymes. Okay, phonics rhymes. One more time. 1 minute, let me play it. Please do it with actions, children. Please do it with actions. 1 minute. It will take some time to play. A. B, letter B.
Bring your bats and bring your ball.
B.
Bring your bats and bring your ball to the party play.
Next is letter C.
We are clinking castanets. We are clinking castanets. We are clinking castanets. Clinking castanets.
Next is letter D. D.
See me play on my drum. Playing drums is lots of fun with a da 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 da. See me play upon my drum.
Letter E. E.
Eggs in the pan, egg, egg, egg. Eggs in the pan, egg, egg, egg. Eggs in the pan, egg, egg, egg. Crack the egg like this, egg.
F. F.
My friends and I went to the beach with my floating fish. It got a hole, the egg came out.
G. G. Join everybody.
Water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain. With a gurg, 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 gurg.
H.
I like to
Yes, Arya? You want to say anything? Okay.
hop, 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 up and down. I like to hop, hop, hop all around. I like to hop, hop, hop up and down.
I. Letter I.
Pinky the mouse is my pet. She's little pink and content. The ink is spread all over the desk. He's wet.
Letter J.
Jelly and jam, jiggling on the plate. Oh, what will I eat with it? Cha 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 cha.
Letter K.
Flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky.
L. Letter L.
We lick our lollipops. We lick our lollipops. Oh, 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 oh. We lick our lollipops.
Yum. Letter M.
The mom and the dad make many meals.
Mmm. Mmm.
The mom and the dad make many meals for
For the hungry children. N. Letter N. Hear the aeroplane. Mmm.
Hear the airplane,
Mmm.
hear the airplane,
Mmm.
making lots of noise.
O. Letter O.
Now it's dark, the lights go on. Oh, 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 oh. Time for bed, the lights go off. Oh, 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 oh.
This is letter P.
Puff from the candles on the pink, pink cake. Puff, 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 puff. Puff from the candles on the pink, pink cake. Puff, puff, puff.
R. Letter R.
See my puppy rip the rag, See my puppy rip the rag when he pulls so hard.
S. S.
The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass.
T. Letter T.
When I watch a tennis game, when I watch a tennis game, my head goes back and forth.
U.
Umbrellas, umbrellas, umbrellas. When it starts to rain,
This is letter V.
swam round the village. Dry pig swam round the village.
W.
I see the clouds moving. Wow, wow, wow. I see the kites flying. Wow, wow, wow. I see the trees bending. Wow, wow, wow. The wind is blowing strong.
X.
Take an X-ray. Take an X-ray. Take an X-ray. X-ray of my hand.
Y.
I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. Yep, 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 yep.
Z. Letter Z. A Z.
Did you ever hear a bee buzz, a bee buzz, a bee buzz? Did you ever hear a bee buzz? Like this. In a book, you can.
Thank you. That's it for today, children. Keep practicing. Today we had almost recapped all the things. Do writing this again at your home. Okay? So we'll see you all after the.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye. Love you all. See you all